What is the best silicone roof coating? Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. The honest answer is that the best silicone roof coating really depends on the project and the roof conditions. But there are a few key criteria that professionals usually look for. First, high solids content, ideally somewhere in the range of about 94 to 97%. That helps build film thickness efficiently and creates a strong waterproof membrane. Second, good mechanical properties like elongation and tensile strength, so the coating can handle movement in the roof system. Third, a strong adhesion to common substrates like metal roofs, single-ply membranes, or previously coated roofs. Another important factor is resistance to ponding water, because many commercial roofs hold water for periods of time. Building owners also want stable reflectivity and UV resistance, so the coating performs well under sun exposure for many years. And finally, good workability, something that sprays or rolls easily and allows installers to achieve the proper film thickness consistently. And in practical terms, most contractors are simply looking for a silicone that forms a durable waterproof membrane, handles ponding water well, and applies smoothly on the roof. That's exactly what SiliconEx 500 is designed for. A high solid silicone coating that builds thickness efficiently and performs well on metal roofs, single-ply membranes, and restoration projects. But at the end of the day, the best solution always depends on the specific roof you're working with. So if you have a project coming up and want to talk through the options, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to take a look and help you choose the right system for the job. Alright, questions, contact us or comment below. Like it, hit like. Once more, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.